Ready to turn your yard into a winter wonderland? Whether you want a cozy, classic look or something dazzling and unique, these Christmas yard decoration ideas will make your home the talk of the season. From lights to lawn ornaments and even some DIY magic, let's dive into creating the perfect holiday setup for your yard. How can I create a cozy and welcoming Christmas yard setup? If you want your yard to feel like a cozy winter haven, here are some simple decorations to create that warm, welcoming vibe. 1. Lanterns and candles. Place lanterns with LED candles along your walkway, steps, or on the porch to create a soft, glowing ambiance. They mimic the charm of a fireplace and make your yard feel extra inviting for guests. 2. Mini Christmas trees and planters. Set up small, decorated Christmas trees in planters on either side of your entryway. Decorate them with small ornaments and bows for a charming, welcoming touch that will greet your guests with holiday spirit. 3. Wreaths with pine cones and berries. Hang wreaths decorated with pine cones, berries, and ribbons on doors and windows to give a natural, rustic feel. These natural elements add coziness and make your yard feel like a winter lodge. If you're inspired by these cozy ideas, leave a comment and let me know which decoration is your favorite. What are some classic Christmas yard decoration ideas that never go out of style? Classic Christmas decorations are timeless. They instantly fill your yard with festive cheer. Here's how to bring that iconic holiday look to life. 1. String lights on trees and shrubs. Wrap trees, shrubs, and even your fence with twinkling string lights. White lights are elegant and timeless, while multicolored ones give a traditional, family-friendly vibe. This simple touch brings warmth and nostalgia to your yard. 2. Large red bows and garland. Drape garland around doorways, porch railings, or along fences, and add big red bows for that extra pop of color. This simple, elegant decoration is a nod to holiday tradition and instantly makes your yard feel festive. 3. Nativity scene or Santa's sleigh. Adding a nativity scene or a Santa sleigh with reindeer is a classic choice that appeals to all ages. Place it in a central area for everyone to enjoy and consider illuminating it at night to make it a focal point. Loving these classic ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it to spread the holiday cheer. What are some kid-friendly yard decorations for Christmas? If you're looking to create an outdoor space that will delight the kids and the kid and everyone, here are some fun ideas. 1. Inflatable Christmas characters. Santa, snowmen, reindeer. Pick any classic Christmas character as an inflatable. These are easy to set up and instantly make your yard look lively and fun for kids. 2. Candy cane pathway lights. Line your walkway or driveway with candy cane lights to create a magical entrance. Kids love these bright, colorful lights, and they add a whimsical touch that's pure Christmas. 3. Christmas train display. Set up a mini Christmas train in the yard, either on a track or as a stationary setup. Kids are drawn to it, and it gives a sense of motion and playfulness to your yard decorations. Want more family-friendly Christmas ideas? Check out our holiday playlist in the description. How can I make my yard decorations stand out at night? Nighttime is when Christmas decorations truly shine. Here are some ways to make sure your yard is the star of the neighborhood after dark. 1. LED spotlights. Use LED spotlights to illuminate key decorations, like Santa's sleigh or your Christmas tree. Green and red spotlights can add an extra festive feel to these decorations, making them pop at night. 2. Light up animal figurines. Add light-up deer or penguins to your lawn to create a glowing winter scene. These decorations are visually captivating and bring a sense of whimsy to your nighttime setup. 3. Projector lights for snowflakes or stars. Consider using a projector light to add moving snowflakes or stars across the front of your house. This creates a magical, dynamic effect that draws the eye and gives the feeling of snowfall. If nighttime displays are your favorite, make sure to subscribe for more holiday decoration tips. What are some DIY Christmas yard decorations I can make at home? If you love crafting, here are some DIY yard decorations that are festive and easy to make. 1. Mason jar luminaries. Fill mason jars with Epsom salt to look like snow, then add small LED candles inside. Place them along your walkway for a rustic, homemade luminary display that's inexpensive and charming. 2. Wooden Christmas signs. Use reclaimed wood or pallet boards to create rustic signs with festive phrases like joy or Merry Christmas. These signs add a personal touch and can be propped up against trees or walls. 3. Christmas topiary balls. Make your own Christmas topiaries by covering foam balls in faux greenery, ornaments, and ribbons. Hang these from trees or porch hooks for a unique, colorful look. Want more DIY decoration ideas? Check out the description for a link to all the materials used in this video. How can I incorporate natural elements into my Christmas yard decorations? If you want a rustic or eco-friendly setup, natural decorations add texture and charm. Here's how to incorporate them. 1. Pine cones and branches. Gather pine cones, evergreen branches, and even twigs to decorate wreaths, garlands, and planters. These natural elements add a classic touch that feels like a winter forest. 2. Fresh greenery wreaths and swags. Use fresh greenery to make your own wreaths or swags for doors and windows. Decorate with berries and cinnamon sticks for a rustic touch that smells as great as it looks. 3. Wooden crates with logs and lanterns. Stack wooden crates with firewood logs and lanterns for a cabin-inspired look. This setup is perfect for a cozy, outdoorsy aesthetic and brings warmth to your yard. For more rustic and natural decoration ideas, don't forget to watch our similar videos linked in the description. How can I make my yard decorations interactive for guests and kids? If you want to add some extra fun for guests, here are some interactive decoration ideas to bring a bit of holiday magic to life. 1. Letters to Santa Station. Set up a small mailbox labeled Letters to Santa where kids and adults can drop off their holiday wishes. It's a simple setup that adds excitement and a personal touch. 2. Hot chocolate stand. If you're hosting a gathering, a small hot chocolate stand in the yard is sure to impress. Offer mugs, hot chocolate packets, and mini marshmallows for a treat that brings people together. 3. Elf scavenger hunt. Hide small elf figurines around the yard and create a Find the Elves scavenger hunt for kids. This adds an element of play and makes the experience interactive for families visiting your home. Have more interactive ideas? Comment below and share how you're adding magic to your yard this Christmas. Conclusion. There you have it. From classic and cozy to interactive and natural, these Christmas yard decoration ideas will bring festive magic to your home this holiday season. Which idea are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Happy decorating!